skin lesion that's going down his neck onto the upper chest. It looks like an ulcer with a very red base and black edges, and the skin is becoming necrotic. He didn't have that when he came in. The skin disease started expanding in front of their very eyes. They put him in an isolation room in the ICU. But he has a rapid downhill course. Within less than 18 hours, he's dead. It's always a tragedy when somebody dies so quickly and at such a young age.
The 25-year-old had moved to the United States from Vietnam just 6 months earlier. And when authorities contact his parents back home, they are absolutely grief-stricken.
They're devastated by the news, and they just wanted to know why he died.
I don't know if this is serum or if this is. I was thinking maybe. Well, there is.
This morning, the atmosphere at the District 9 morgue is unusually tense.
It is? I know I'm testifying on it. I just didn't know. That's not until November. Why would it be in my office?
I don't know. It's not in the file.
And I got bigger fish to fry. This poor fellow is a tragedy. But he's got everybody on pins and needles because it might be something infectious. You know, coming off of an airplane, immediately getting sick and dying relatively quickly with this huge, rapidly progressing